Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of One Two Step. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to change your TikTok username. To learn how, keep watching the video till the end and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. You can easily change your username on TikTok through your Me tab. Remember that once you change your TikTok username, you'll have to wait at least 30 days to change it again. Your TikTok username has to be unique. If another user already has it, then you cannot use it. So let's proceed further without any delay. Tap open your TikTok application. Now, as soon as you're in, what you'll need to do is go to the Me tab located at the bottom right corner of the screen, which will open your profile page. From your profile page, tap on Edit Profile, and under Edit Profile page, you'll be able to see the username button in the second row. Simply tap it on, and from there you can change your username. Erase the previous username and select a new one. If the username isn't available, then you'll see this kind of letters in red. So make sure to enter a unique username. You can even select a username from the suggestions below. Simply select it from there by tapping on it, and once the username is available, you'll be able to see this kind of a green tick mark at the right corner of the screen. And to confirm the username, simply tap on Save at the upper right corner. To set your username, tap on Set Username. It says that you can change your username once every 30 days. Before that, you won't be able to do it, so make sure that you have chosen the correct one. Make sure you're happy with it. And once you are, tap on Save and tap on Set Username. That is how you can change your username on TikTok easily. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.